Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear your watch history from X, formerly known as Twitter, particularly for videos you've watched on the platform, follow these instructions to maintain your privacy and manage your viewing data. Step 1. Open the X app on your smartphone or go to x.com on your computer and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open the menu, Mobile, or click on More in the left sidebar, Desktop. Step 3. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, or Settings and Support. Then select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Tap on Privacy and Safety from the Settings menu. Step 5. Scroll down to find Off Twitter Activity or Your Twitter Data. Step 6. Look for options related to viewing history, interests, or personalization data. Step 7. To clear watch history, you may need to clear your interests data, which includes videos you've watched. Tap on Interests or Personalization and Data. Step 8. Select See Your Twitter Data or View Data. You might need to enter your password to proceed. Step 9. Once inside, look for Watch History or similar sections. X may not have a dedicated Watch History section like YouTube, but you can manage related data. Step 10. Clear your browsing data and cache in your web browser or app settings to remove temporary viewing data. Step 11. For the X app, go to your device's settings, find the X app, and select Clear Cache or Clear Data. Step 12. Regularly review and manage your privacy settings on X to control what data is collected and stored. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.